Once again, Juliana and I are thankful for all of your thoughtful contributions in this week's forum. Although little known in Britain, Sarah Grimke's life was truly remarkable, and this impossible woman deserves to be more read and studied. She inspired not just through her words, which continue to challenge us even today, but also through her life. She really did live out her commitment to equality, in the same way as her hero, John Woolman. With hindsight, it's clear that even though she was heavily criticised for her speaking out in public, there was a sense that the time was right for a strong woman's voice to emerge, and obviously it took a great deal of courage to do this, amidst accusations and sacrifice, but her work opened up public discussion of women's rights in the US for the first time. And she also showed us how we can contribute to larger causes by living out the day of small things, because each decision that we make can either reinforce the status quo or challenge it. Her decision to use free sugar was an early example of how we can use our purchasing power to promote fair trade and cruelty-free consumer goods. We've looked more at Sarah's work for women's equality rather than her anti-slavery work, but it's clear that she linked the two. It was her ability to see the common roots of these different kinds of oppression that made her work so controversial to some and liberating to others. This week we'll be looking more closely at some anti-slavery activism in the work of Abby Kelly Foster. Arguably, she was more uncompromising than the Grimke sisters. She certainly stayed with the campaign until slavery was abolished and people of colour were given the vote. As ever, Juliana and I look forward to more fascinating discussions in our weekly forums.